I think it's high time that we uncover a myth, and it really is a myth about making homemade pancakes. Back in a minute. Hey, it's Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City. Saves money, and I love, love, love helping people to keep some more of their hard-earned money. I would almost make a bet that many of you viewing this, have every single ingredient that it takes to make your own complete type of not hand cake, pancake mix. I'll wake up. Anyway, we can make our own pancakes from scratch. Have you ever eaten a pancake from scratch? Not from a box, not from a shaker can, from scratch. Some people are fearful that this is a complicated ordeal. You can make this mix so easily. And before I give you the recipe, I want to thank my friend. She knows who she is for giving me this recipe, and I just thought that I'd share it with you guys. All right, so in an attempt to save money, because if we already have the ingredients, why can't we put this mix together for once and for all? All right, I'm going to uncover the secret to making pancake mix ingredients. All right. And all you have to do, by the way, at the time when you do want to make the pancakes, when you need it, is just add water. I love that idea. So what you're going to need for this, you may want to get out a pen or a pencil. You're going to need 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, 3/4 of a cup of non-fat dry milk. Next, 1/3 cup of sugar. Next, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Next, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Mix all this together thoroughly and put it away in a cool, dry place. That's it. And basically, when you want to make your pancakes, follow it as if you're following the directions of a completed type of mix on a box. You add water to the mixture that you need. You make your pancakes as thinly or as thickly as you would like it for it to be. That's it. Some people are very creative with their pancakes. There was a diner that I used to love to visit in Jersey City years ago. And the minute I walked in, everybody knew, there's a lady that always likes to order the miniature chocolate chip pancakes. I could have achieved making my own chocolate chip pancake. Looking back, I should have just done that instead of spending that money, but that's okay. That's for another show. But I only did that as a treat on occasion. But they always knew because that's the same thing I would order every time. On the other hand, my mother, for example, she used to like to make apple pancakes or banana pancakes. Some people use blueberries, put them on top of their pancakes, or just like the picture on the thumbnail, they use fresh strawberries or whatever they want. Some people put powdered sugar on the outside. The sky is the limit. Another thing that I like to do, and I recommend it, if you like to achieve sort of like a donut kind of flavor in your pancake batter, sometimes as I'm making the pancake as I go along, because not everybody likes it, but I put like a pinch of nutmeg in the mixture. Gives it sort of that nutmeggy, donutty effect type of flavor. To me, a pancake is sort of like a blank canvas. And to be able to do this so easily, literally from scratch, and then you use it up as you need it. And when you need it, all you're going to do is add the water. To me, it doesn't get better than that. By the way, just want to say, if you found any value in this video, you know what to do. And I really thank you for clicking on the like button. Let's not forget what this lady does, and she has the right idea. Have an amazing, fantastic night. Take good care now. Bye bye.